Okay, here's a little demo of Kiosk that I'm going to show you. Hopefully help you understand what's going on with Kiosk. Notice on the left I've got the 3 slides I'm using for the main show on this one. On the second slide, which is your menu slide, which is the most important slide of this, I've got 2 choices here people can look at. There's a 66 Mustang and a 68 Camaro. They can go out and click on it and go out and look at those sub-shows. So I've already done the 2 sub-shows. To link, you basically highlight the text that you want. You don't always have to have text in this case. Then I go down, right click on the mouse, and I go to hyperlink. Find the sub-show that I made, 66 Mustang. You can do the same thing, right button, hyperlink. Then I can do the pictures. You can link just about anything. Hyperlink, 66 Mustang. Same shows I was using for the text. 68 Camaro. Okay, I've got them linked. I know that because the text is now different color and underlined. The next thing I want to do is to add timing. I've already put custom animation made. You have to have your text come in with effects in some form or fashion. You have to do that right after you finish the shows. Same thing on the sub-shows. You got to have effects and timing on them. Alright, so I'm going to rehearse the timing. Under Slideshow tab, I go to Rehearse Timing. In top left-hand corner, you notice the timer. About every 3 seconds, you want to hit the Enter key. You don't want the person viewing the show to stand there too long. Okay, here's the main show, which has the choices. You need more time on this one, maybe upwards to 10 seconds or more, to have the person be able enough time to read the choices and to click. Remember to put your action down at the bottom, whether you want to click or touch or whatever. And then this is the last slide here, and give them enough time to read it. Some kind of action with a phone number. Alright, when you get to this step, of course, if you liked what you saw, you can just say yes. You can always do it over. Then you see under each slide how much time that you gave that particular slide. Finally, you want to make it loop. The main show is looped. The sub-shows are not looped. So don't loop the sub-shows. Alright, go to Setup Slideshow. Here it is right here. Put a check mark, loop continuously till escape. This causes the show to just sit there and loop all day long until you hit the escape key, which is why you probably don't want to leave the keyboard available for somebody to fool with it. Okay, I'm going to run the show real quickly. It's running on its own. I'm not touching anything. For about 3 seconds you notice stuff come in. Again, if you mess it up, just escape out and do it over. Okay, I'm going to click on Mustang. It's going to go out to the sub-shows. Work through the show itself. You put timing on the sub-show, effects and timing on the sub-shows. Person's viewing the sub-show. Sub-show is not open, so when it gets through going through it, it goes back to the main show and continues running. Now, I probably talked a little longer than I should have when I was timing this one, but eventually it's going to go there. It goes to the 3rd slide. Information for the persons. Notice not too much text. Probably could even maybe have the 2 cars in the background. This should be the 1st slide coming back up because I looped it. And again, it would just sit there and loop all day long till somebody makes some action on it. Okay, hope this helped.